Hey guys, so I'm just working on a website for one of my friends, and at the moment the WordPress is using the Gutenberg editor, which I really don't like at all. So I looked online on ways how to just remove it, and there was a lot of plugins coming up, but I found a solution. You don't need to use a plugin. That's all you need to do is go into your themes, select the theme that you're using, click functions, and then just go to the bottom of the file and then type add filter, do brackets, do single quotation marks, do use block editor for post, comma, under two underscores, return underscore false, then put a semicolon on the end, save it, go back to your website, refresh, and you'll have the old text editor. So yeah, it's as simple as that. You don't need to use any plugins, and I just thought I'd post it to share with you guys.